Oh, here. What's the little one up there?
Yeah.
There he is. Matthew, go! Matthew, go! No wonder you can do that.
You can do it, Matthew.
So good.
Climb that mountain. Oh, Matthew, look at you, big climber, huh? Yay! Woohoo! You gonna do it again? One more time, yeah? Keep it up. You need shoes? Are you gonna go? Are you done? Are you all done? Huh? No, you have to. You can't wear shoes inside. Yeah, socks only inside.
You guys hungry? You guys full? You guys want to eat something? Watch out for the kids, huh? The small ones. You're not full and you're not hungry. What does that mean?
Took a shot.
It means you're just good to go, right? Content.
Probably like a year ago, last summer, and Matthew was terrified of it. He didn't want to get in. So this is like a major step. I'm excited for him. Oh no.
Now you gotta go buy
I was
one.
gonna say, yeah, that's in my face.
Yeah, we want to bounce out.
Tomorrow he's gonna wake up. Bounce it. Oh no. Next summer.
Next
summer.
wife was like, guess what, honey? At Costco, they only have them for like $600.
Go.
We actually had one.